Mbunge West Mugrango Stephen Mogaka nigaruro kubolia gochase serikali koene kiabuna ngosirere gusengomentere enengo ase EWIZARA ya mang'ana yechinse CHIA elinde koene kiabuna ensemeyo ngosonsora bale emechando yabere yekoene kiwa Mogaka kwa na sebunge nene chingaki aokoboko Ebajet nigaene kirebuna ensi ya Kenya nirete emeli ase ogosonsora naboigo koene kia omorembe gati yechinse asane kiuna ekyo ne gati yekemo kyabo kira chikoene kia obokoreri obuya asogonchoreria enengo.
I just want to say that practically we have underfunded the Ministry of Foreign Affairs because the world, the global economy and the conflicts emerging require that we proactively empower this ministry to deal with the diplomatic solutions. Kenya is a renowned solution provider in world economic conflict, and I would urge that whilst I support the budget line for this ministry, I would be expecting that a supplementary will come very quickly to fill in on the gaps, because we want Kenya to play its role in the national community of nations. And the diaspora is what is giving us foreign exchange. And we really need to reciprocally get adequately prepared to oil and receive that support we so badly need from the diaspora community.